This is a 3-star hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. This hotel costs $45 and in Thai baht is around 1,500 baht, and in Nigerian currency is around 69,000 naira, and this is what you can get with that amount in Bangkok for a night. Trust me, I experience luxury. So if you're coming to Bangkok, if you're trying to get a simple moderate room, then this place could be for you. So this is me trying to locate my room with my key card. I love this place because it's so quiet in the walkway where there is rugs on the ground where you don't have to hear noises from inside the house. And this is the most beautiful part of this hotel. The sight, the view from this angle is so good. That's the lamp. Trying to make a call to the receptionist. I think it's in every hotel. This is the rug I'm telling you about. It's so nice. The experience is more like other people don't get to hear you if you're doing anything in the room. It absorbs the noise. It makes it quiet. So this is like another view from the outside. Just imagine waking up in the morning and you wake up to see this view. You're definitely knowing you're going to have a very bright day. And this is the toilet. Like, the toilet means a lot to me when I get into the hotel. Toilet is the first thing I always check, and this caught my attention. The telephone in the toilet seat. Crazy, right? I don't like this one because the pressure is not good. Doesn't have a high pressure, and I don't like it. Shower looks great. Everything inside just looks so good. This is a hotel that has a safe. Yes, so if you're coming in with your gold, whatever you want to, your diamond, you can keep them safe there with your password just in case of security reasons. My name is Samson Pius. If you're just watching me for the very first time, I am a travel creator and I travel around the world to review hidden gems just like this. I also share opportunities in my channel, so if you intend traveling abroad, then my channel is also for you. Just for the sake, this hotel, as I said, costs $45. It's a 3-star hotel in Bangkok. It's located in the heart of Bangkok, Sukhumvit to be precise. Everyone that knows Sukhumvit definitely know that this is a place where a lot of foreigners hang out. So, and getting a place here is so nice. If you break anything, you damage anything, you're definitely going to pay for it. And that's the list that contains the price of everything in that room. It's even as high as the room itself. So try as much as possible not to break anything. That's the scan menu. In case you want to eat anything, you can scan the menu. And you know, There are a lot of rooftop bars around this area. At night, I actually took my time to go to Octave Rooftop Bar, which is like 100 meters away from here. And here I am preparing to go to the roof bar, Octave Roof Bar, which is like very close. And one beautiful thing about this hotel is from 9 p.m. at night, they offer free transportation around anywhere you want to go in Sukhumvit. So this ride technically is free. And you just have to inform the receptionist when you come downstairs and maybe wait for a few minutes, and definitely they'll come pick you up and go anywhere around this place. 200, 300, 500 meter, 1 kilometer, they can. This is the view from the outside. The name of the hotel is One One Bangkok. So if you're looking for it, it's in Sukhumvit, where I'm going to be visiting the address. Just type One One Bangkok on Google and you're going to see it. So this is me on my way to the rooftop bar, and this is how it looks like. That's me getting into the elevator, 45 floors. Like, I've never been up to this height in my life before. This view got me thinking of my country. This is Octave Roof Bar. Coming here is actually free, but you have to be 18 years and above. Yes, there's an age limit for this place, and all you need to show is your ID card, your passport, that you are above 18. And drinks here are quite expensive. You can get them for, let's say, 1,000 baht, 500 baht, which is equivalent to 25,000 naira for just one champagne or just one shot. Just little ice, like a cup of drink, depending. But the cheapest here is like 400 baht. There is no drink less than 400 baht. But the experience is what makes it more beautiful, because you get to see buildings, you get to think the ambient, the serenity, the breeze from the top. Like, it's really, really cool. Octave Roof Bar is just one out of a lot of roof bar in Sukhumvit. I decided to go to this one. There are a lot, and maybe in some of my videos I will also do a vlog in those rooftop bars. But it's quite expensive, not less than 400 baht for just one drink. Like, not a bottle drink, but a glass of drink. A glass of Campari, which is not even up to 300 milliliter, is 500 baht. So if you're getting two for you and your partner, you should be thinking of a budget of 1,000 baht, which is equivalent to $30, which is also equivalent in naira to, let's say, 50,000 naira. Yes, 50 or 50 something thousand naira. My name is Samson Pius. I am a travel creator. I travel around the world to share my experiences, my flight experiences too, and I also give travel opportunities. So it's like a combo, 2 in 1. Make sure you press that subscribe button and join me in my next travel, my next hidden gem. Yeah, thank you very much. I see you again. My name is Samson Pius. Peace and love.